That's evidence that I got a drunk driving. What's that supposed to be?
Yeah. In casa?
Okay.
Okay, so what you do is hold it like this, hold it. You flip it over and then you open the tab.
So what is that gonna do?
This is to let the air out, so the
you
water
flip it
goes
over,
down.
Like this?
and the moment you put your mouth on top of it, you open it.
So
Okay.
I flip it like this.
So you're holding it kind of like this.
Like this, like this?
Okay. No, you put your mouth on that,
I
man.
gotta put my mouth on here?
No,
And then-
hold on.
wait.
Like this. Okay?
Okay.
And then go. Flip it over and open the tab.
There you go.
Oh wow.
Oh shit,
Quick.
that was fast.
That's 5 seconds.
How are you feeling?